And what's up? In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to make a very flavorful rice dish that is going to be super delicious. So watch until the end of the video and learn how to make this amazing recipe. If you're new here, I'm Scovia and welcome to Infoods Specials, where the recipes are always simple and amazing. And to get started, I'm going to move over to my stove top, and on medium-high flame, I'm going to add in some cooking oil. This rice dish is going to include a lot of spices for the flavor, and also I'm going to include meat in this recipe because it's going to be so delicious. Yeah, because my oil is hot, I'm going to add in my onions. Stir in. This is one small onion, so I'm going to cook for about a minute, just until the onion is soft. Next, I'm going to be adding roughly chopped garlic and ginger. Stir in the garlic and ginger and cook until fragrant. Just when the garlic and ginger are browning a little bit, I'm going to add in my meat. Stir in the meat. Then I'm going to let my meat sear. So what I'm doing, I'm making sure that it is in a single layer. Then next, I'm going to be adding my spices. I want my spices to cook together with the meat, so I'm going to add in a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, some cumin seeds, a teaspoon of cumin seeds, so I'm going to be adding 4 cardamom pods. I'm going to add that in, and then over here I have paprika, thyme, coriander powder, and cloves. I'm going to add that in as well, and then I'm going to add in 1 Royco cube. I'm using the beef flavor. Stir this, and as you can see, the meat has a nice golden brown color. When everything is nice and well combined, I'm going to cover this and let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Also watch over your meat because you don't want it to burn. It's been a couple of minutes, and let me tell you, the aroma in the kitchen is just amazing. I'm going to give my meat a stir. So next, I'm going to be adding carrots. So this is 2 large carrots. Actually, they're not large, they're medium. Then I'm going to stir in. Add in my tomatoes. I want the tomatoes to cook together with the carrots. And as you can see, we have a very nice brown color from searing the meat. So to my pot, I'm going to add in tomato paste. I'm adding about half a tablespoon of tomato paste. Stir in and let everything cook, giving you a very awesome tomato sauce or tomato base. So I'm going to cover this and give this about a minute so that the tomatoes can cook through. So my tomatoes are ready. This is how they're looking, and they are looking amazing. So to this, I'm going to add in 1 stock cube. I'm using the beef flavor. Then I'm going to stir this in. Add in rice. Then I'm going to stir my rice in. Wow, this looks amazing. This is going to be delicious, very delicious. Next, I'm going to pick my assorted peppers. So as I'm starting, I'm toasting the rice. Once everything is combined, I'm going to add in water. Once everything is combined, I'm going to let this cook or come to a boil, and then I'm going to check the seasoning. If it is perfect, because I added 1 Royco cube and 1 seasoning cube, I'm just going to leave it at that. But if it is not well seasoned, I'm going to add in a little bit of salt. So make sure you do not overwhelm the salt, because the cube and the stock cube have a lot of salt. So this is how the rice is looking after a couple of minutes, and as you can see, the water is drying out. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cover this, then I'm going to reduce the flames to low. I'm going to be steaming my rice for about 5 minutes until the water dries out. That is going to make our rice very fluffy. So that is a very good hack for making your rice. Always when the water dries out, reduce the flame, cover the pot or sufuria, and steam your rice. My rice is ready and it's smelling so good. It's very flavorful. So good. You can smell the cardamom and the cloves. So I'm going to use a fork and fluff up my rice. Make sure that every part of the rice is, all the ingredients are evenly distributed in the rice. So I'm going to serve mine. And I'm really going to enjoy my meal. See how my rice is fluffy? Very nice. Add some more. So my rice dish is ready, and as you can see, I've served mine in a cast iron just for presentation purposes. So it's going to be so delicious and it's really going to be amazing. So I hope you try out this recipe, and if you enjoy watching my videos, don't forget to give my videos a thumbs up. So catch you on my next one. Bye.